Alright, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to change the front sway bar on this Supra. Now to get to this point, there is the sway bar I'm going to put on a Cusco. There is 12 bolts for the metal undercarriage cover that covers up and this whole section down here. 12 bolts, 17 millimeter, and then there is, let's see here, 12 little clip screws that go in the holes like that on the undercover as well that you'll have to take off. The undercover is kind of a pain getting it off. So once you get that, you have your sway bar end links over here. It's a 17 mil as well. And then you have those two bolts there. Not sure what those are yet, but that's the gist of that. You got those two. Come down here, you have those two. And then your other sway bar link down there. So you're going to want to take those off and then pull the sway bar out. And before you do that, what you want to do is spray your new bushings down with some degreaser or WD-40, some kind of lubricant to keep them nice from squeaking, whatnot. So go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you here in a minute. Alright guys, so here we are. We got the bar installed, as you can see. Now these here are 14 millimeter nuts, and it also has a backing spacer plate. You reuse that one from the stock sway bar. And oops, sorry about that. I'm on my back here, excuse me. But yeah, fairly simple install. Looks really good. Take it for a drive after this. And the nuts over here, I made a mistake. They're actually 5/8, not 17. And you have to clamp that on that metal there. You don't want to get into the boot. Hold that and then loosen to get that off, and then of course vice versa to put it on. So there she is. She looks pretty good. Definitely a lot thicker than the stock one. And you can, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy one of these at and also get 10% off if you're interested. And I'm going to go ahead and put the shield undercover back on, which, not going to lie, is probably going to be the most annoying, tedious part of it. There's 24 different bolts and nuts all together, and you have to slide it and finagle it. So we'll get that going. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please comment below. Leave this video a like if it helped you out at all. Please subscribe. I do have steering wheel to put on yet, and also this weekend is the track day. That's why I wanted to get this bar put on before I go down to that. Alright guys, peace.